Hello guys, welcome to our channel Live Jobs Info. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I got a new job notification for you. Before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe to our channel so that you will get daily job updates, and also watch this video till the end so that you will get the complete overview of these jobs. Here we can see that there are so many job opportunities, like Accenture is hiring for associate business position for freshers. CGI is hiring for junior Java developer for freshers. Macleay Socrates is hiring for quality assurance for interns. HCL is hiring on VLSI. JP Morgan is hiring. Siemens, Amazon, Mindtree, Cognizant, Accenture, etc. There are so many job opportunities for both freshers and experienced guys. So I request you to please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the job opportunities. You will get the instant job notifications and you can apply easily. Okay. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Accenture is hiring for associate business position for freshers. Just visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com in order to apply, or else you can also find the link in the description. So I request you to please click on that and it will be redirected. Here we can see that Accenture is hiring for associate business position for freshers. This job was posted on December 4th, 2021. Here we can see that Accenture is an Irish-based multinational professional company that specializes IT services and consulting, a Fortune Global 500 company. It reported revenue of 44 billion in 2020 and had employees. Accenture is known for its diverse range of service offerings and has five main practice service areas. These include strategy management, digital technology, and operations consulting. The firm is consistently ranked as one of the top firms in the world. We embrace the power of change to create long lasting value in every direction for our clients, people, and communities across the globe. One thing is universally true of the people of Accenture is we are deeply about what we do to the impact we have with our clients and communities. It is personal to all of us. With strong client relationship and deep industry expertise, we are uniquely positioned to design, build, communicate, and run experiences, reimagining the entire journey for customers, employees, patients, and citizens as like we embed this focus on experience across our services. Accenture PLC is an Irish-based MNC company, that specializes on IT services and consulting. Accenture current clients includes 91 of the Fortune Global 100 and more than three quarters of the Fortune. It is one of the great IT company, and first and foremost is the 492,000 people at the head of Accenture that drive our success. From leaders to interns, our unique culture represents all corners of the world, a global collective of diverse talent and people innovating together to improve the way the world works and lives. Enterprises across industries stand at a inflection point today. In order to thrive in the digital age, technologies such as analytics, cloud, IoT stands for Internet of Things, and automation occupy center stage. In order to offer enterprises the maximum benefit of these technologies to further their businesses objectives, HCL offers of an integrated portfolio of products and services through three business units. There are IT and business services, ITBS, engineering and R&D services, and products and platforms, P&P. In order to get daily job updates, I request you to please join in all these groups so that you will get instant job notifications. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe so that you will get instant job notifications and you won't miss any of the job opportunities. Here we can see that they are offering this job for BE and BTech. Responsibilities required are solve routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Interact within your team and direct supervisor. Well versed with basic statistics and terms involved in the day-to-day business and use them while discussing with stakeholders. Work closely with project members to effectively deliver on the requirements. Contribute as a part of a team with a predetermined focus scope of work. So here we can see that it's like a role where you need to handle all the statistics and all. Everything will be trained. So I request you to please subscribe, and also please visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com to apply. So let us see what are the requirements now right away. So here we can see that the requirements are like BTech, adaptable and flexible candidate is needed, and detail orientation, strong analytical skills, written and verbal communication, risk management. Experience needed is like 0 to 2 years, and most probably freshers. Salary is negotiable and location is India. So it means the pan India, anywhere, any location in India. Last day to apply is December 27, 2021. In order to apply, just click on this official link. Here we can see the official link. It will be redirected. So I request you to please register. You just go down and you will find the complete details. Here we can see the complete details, whatever we have just discussed. Just go through them, and just click on this register now options. They have shown that only 16 days left to apply for this job. I request you to please apply for this job if you haven't applied. So register on this. You can sign in using your Google account. It's not suggested to continue with Facebook. So I request you to please go through, sign up with Google, so that you will be able to get all the details automatically. Synchronization will happen. So that's what it means. And enter your email ID once you register, so that it will ask you for some more details like resume, personal details and all. So just fill all the details, so that you will be able to apply for this job. I request you to please subscribe to our channel, and I hope this video helps you. And please comment below in the comment section, so that we'll know what exactly, like what type of jobs you need, like if you are Java developer or Python developer or any other etc., something like that. So if you are interested in such type of jobs, I request you to please comment below, so that we'll be able to prepare more videos for you. Yeah, that's all from my end. Yeah, stay safe, stay positive, keep smiling and keep learning. Have a great day. Bye bye.